Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Safazi bin Suhaimi.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Ibrahim Najmuddin bin Muhammad Yusri.
My name is Muhammad Ismail Rashid Iskandar Parvez.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Sisufian Bizaki.
Today we're gonna learn about trigonometry. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that studies the relationship between the sides and the angle in triangles. Trigonometry defines the trigonometric function which describe those relationships and have applicability to cyclical phenomena. Such a wave in a short trigonometry helps us find angle and distance and is used a lot of science, engineering, video games and more. Introduction. Here a bit story about trigonometry. The first known table of chord was produced by the Greek mathematician Hippocrates in about 140 BC. Although this table have not survived, it is claimed that 12 books of table of chord were written by Hippocrates. This made Hippocrates the founder of trigonometry. Thank you. That's all.
Okay, right triangle. Trigonometry deal with right triangle. A right triangle consists of two legs and hypotenuse. The two legs meet at a 90 degrees angle and the hypotenuse is the longest side of the triangle and is the side opposite the side a right angle. A reminder, a right angle triangle has a single right angle. By definition, that means that all sides cannot be the same large. A typical right angle triangle is shown below. Important term of right angle triangle. Right angle triangle showing the opposite adjacent and hypotenuse. The right angle is indicated by little box in the corner. The another angle that we usually know is indicated by pi. The side of theta. The side opposite the right angle, which the longest side is called hypotenuse. The side opposite theta is called the opposite. The side next the theta, which is not the hypotenuse, is called the adjacent. Thank you.
The area of the square whose ID the hypotenuse is equal to sum of areas of the squares whose side are the two legs. A square plus B square equals C square, or adjacent square plus opposite square equal hypotenuse square. A bit fact about Pythagoras. Pythagoras was a Greek philosopher who lived over 2,500 years ago. He is credited with a number of important mathematical and scientific discoveries. Arguably, the most of the significant of which has become known as Pythagoras' theorem. It is an important rule that applies only to right angle triangle. It says that the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares on the other two sides. That sounds rather complicated, but it is actually quite a simple concept when we see it in that diagram. Pythagoras' theorem demonstrating that the square of on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares on the other two sides of the right angle triangles. Pythagoras' theorem says a square plus b square equal to c square. So if we know the length of two sides of the triangle and we need to calculate the third, we can use Pythagoras' theorem. However, if we know only one side length and one of the eternal angle, then Pythagoras is no use to us on its own, and we need to use the trigonometry. Pythagoras theorem example: a square plus b square equal to c square. 12 square plus 16 square equal to x square. 144 plus 256 is equal to x square. square root 400 equal to square root x square. X equal to 20 cm.
Trigonometry values table. The trigonometric table is made up of trigonometry ratios that are interrelated to each other cosine, tangent. These main ratios in short are written as sin, cos, tan are taken for standard angle values. You can refer to the trigonometric table chart to know more about these ratios. Trigonometric table. Important trigonometric angle are the angle in the right angle triangle using which different trigonometric function can be represented. Some standard angle used in trigonometry are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. The trigonometric values for this angle can be observed directly in a trigonometric table. Some other important angles in trigonometry are 180 degree, 270 degree, and 360 degree. Trigonometric angle can be expressed in terms of trigonometry ratios as theta equals sin 1, which is opposite or hypotenuse. Theta equal cos 1 adjacent or hypotenuse. Theta equal tan 1 opposite or adjacent. From this table, we can find the value for the trigonometric ratios for this angle. Example are sin 30 degree equals 1/2, cos 19 degree equals 0, tan 45 degree equals 1.
So now we're gonna go to trigonometric ratios. Introducing sine, cosine, and tangent. There are three basic functions in trigonometry, each of which is one side of right angle triangle divided by another. The three functions are named abbreviation relationship to side of the triangle. Sine, sin theta equals to opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine, cos theta equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent, tan theta equals to opposite over adjacent. Calculating sines, cosine, and tangent. You may find it helpful to remember sine, cosine, and tangent as so, cha, and toa. For example, we have 5 on this opposite line, and then 13 for hypotenuse line, and 12 for adjacent line. Sine s equals to opposite over hypotenuse, cos n equals to adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan s equal to opposite over adjacent. For sine s equals to 5 over 13, which is approximately equals to 0.3846. For cos s equals to 12 over 13, approximately equals to 0.9231. For tan s equals to 5 over 12, approximately equal to 0.4167. More example. For this question, find the three trig ratios of angle A. So for this right triangles, we don't have another lines. So we know the hypotenuse and one leg. So let's use those to find the other legs first. With Pythagoras, we are gonna use Pythagoras. A square plus b square equals to c square. 3 square plus b square equals to 6 square. So we're gonna bring 3 square to the front. B square equals to c square minus 3 square. B square equals to 13 6 minus 9. B square equals to 27. Square root b square equals to square root 27. B equals to 3 square root 3. So That's our side adjacent to angle A. The opposite side is 3 and the hypotenuse is 6. A dash of So Chatwa should finish the problem. So sine A equals to 3 over 6. Cos A equals to 3 adjacent 3. Sorry. Cos A equals to 3 square root 3 over 6 equals to square root 3 over 2. Tangent A equals to 3 over 3 square root 3 equals to 1 over square root 3 multiplied by square root 3 over square root 3 equals to square root 3 over 3. So that's all from us. Thank you for listening to our presentation. Daily reminder, courage plus work equal to success. That's all from us. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you,
Bye
everyone.
bye. Bye bye.
Peace. You.